you tired of constantly plugging and unplugging your dash cam? Or worse, worrying about your car's battery dying while it's protecting your vehicle? What if I told you there's a solution that offers seamless, intelligent power for ultimate peace of mind? Today, we're diving deep into the Vantrue 11.5 feet USB C Hardwire Kit, a game changer for anyone serious about their dashcam setup. This isn't just a cable, it's the brain of your dashcam's power system. The Vantrue Hardwire Kit provides a direct, uninterrupted connection from your dashcam straight to your vehicle's fuse box. Whether you drive a compact car, a heavy-duty truck, or even a bus, this kit is engineered to work flawlessly with 12V to 24V automotive systems, delivering a rock-solid 5V/2A output. This means your Vantrue N5, N4 Pro, E360, or any other compatible USB-C dashcam gets consistent, reliable power, transforming it into a true 24/7 surveillance guardian for your vehicle. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your car is always being watched, even when you're miles away. Now, let's talk about a major concern for anyone hardwiring their dash cam: battery drain. Vantrue has engineered a brilliant solution with its intelligent low-voltage protection feature. This kit isn't just about providing power. It's about protecting your vehicle's most critical component. It features dual-stage under-voltage protection thresholds, 12V/11.6V for 12V vehicles, and 24V/23.2V for 24V systems. What does this mean for you? If your vehicle's battery voltage drops to these preset levels, the Hardwire Kit automatically disconnects power to your dash cam. No more waking up to a dead battery because your dash cam was working overtime. This intelligent safeguard eliminates the risk of critical battery depletion, ensuring you're never left stranded. It's set it and forget it reliability at its finest. But the innovation doesn't stop there. One of my favorite features, and truly a standout, is the built-in ACC functionality. Forget manually switching modes or worrying if your dash cam is recording when you need it most. With ACC functionality, the Vantrue Hardwire Kit intelligently detects your vehicle's status. When you shut off your engine, the dash cam seamlessly transitions into parking mode, ready to capture any incident. And as soon as you start your vehicle again, it instantly exits parking mode and resumes normal recording. This means truly hands-free operation, ensuring your dash cam is always in the right mode at the right time. It's the ultimate convenience that makes your dash cam an integral, intelligent part of your vehicle's security system. So, if you're looking to unlock the full potential of your Vantrue USB-C dash cam, or even other compatible devices like GPS navigators or radar detectors, this hardwire kit is an absolute must-have. It's robust, reliable, and packed with smart features that deliver genuine value and unparalleled peace of mind. Stop worrying about power and start enjoying the full security benefits of your dash cam. Don't compromise on your vehicle's security or your battery's health. Upgrade your dash cam setup today. Find the link to the Vantrue 11.5 feet USB-C Hardwire Kit in the description below. And while you're there, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews designed to make your life easier and safer.